Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have very exciting episode for today. So today guys, I'm super excited to be sharing to you Louis Vuitton's latest collection that they would be releasing soon, entitled Fall in Love. So I'm going to do my first impression and bag review and would be giving it thumbs up or thumbs down. Hi guys, Ron Ramiro here, Isuking Budgetarian Fashionista, a vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury, bags and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I am inviting you guys to please join our growing family by subscribing to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so for this vlog episode guys, I'm super happy to be sharing Louis Vuitton's collection that they would be releasing really soon. So please do take note that this is not yet available at LouisVuitton.com. So I have seen these photos via Instagram, and I would be giving you my honest opinion and review on this very wonderful collection and would be giving it thumbs up or thumbs down. So let us begin. Alright, so the very first bag that we are going to review under the Fall in Love collection is another version of the Petite Sac Plat. So the Petite Sac Plat, this is the Petite Sac Plat. I purchased this one last March. This is the very first version. So I have did a unboxing of my Petite Sac Plat. I'm going to link it up here and put it in the description box just in case you haven't seen that one. So when I have seen this on Instagram, so actually my jaw dropped because I again fell in love with this version, and I was actually thinking if I made the right move in purchasing this version of Petite Sac Plat, and why is that? So because the con of this Petite Sac Plat for me mainly is the vachetta leather. As you know guys, I have been mentioning to you previously that I am not a fan of the vachetta leather because I'm not really sure if I would be able to take good care of them properly. I'm afraid of water stains and how it would age. Although for the Petite Sac Plat, this one, the vachetta leather is already pre-treated, so it's unlike the untreated vachetta leather, which is very white, so that is a good one. So for the newer version of the Petite Sac Plat, so it will not come with the regular vachetta leather. So the leather that it would come is the treated black genuine leather. I love the leather top handles. I loved also the black leather strap that it came with. So for my Petite Sac Plat, it would come with the vachetta leather. And I think what caught my attention for this collection, it is in monogram canvas, yes, but it's painted, so there are a little bit details on this bag, like for example like the logo, or there's a writing of Louis Vuitton. It's written in red lipstick, and also the flowers in logo of LV is also semi-painted. And for me, honestly guys, when Louis Vuitton is coming out with the painted version of the monogram canvas, I really wanted to get this one. That's why for me, this Petite Sac Plat version is really good. And the lining of this one, if you could see here guys, it's colored cherry red, which is it's a good complement to the very good design and color and painting of the Petite Sac Plat. That's why guys, for this one, I so love this one, and I am giving it 2 thumbs up. So hopefully if you don't have a Petite Sac Plat, definitely guys, I am highly recommending this bag to you. Yes, it may be a small leather bag, but definitely you would be able to fit your bare essentials, and definitely this would transform from day to night bag. So definitely go for this one guys. Alright, bag number 2 under the Fall in Love collection is the heart-shaped bag of Louis Vuitton. So they have released this one before, but it's in monogram version. I'm going to put the photo here, and I'm glad that they are re-releasing this one, but this time in the genuine empreinte leather. I'm not really sure what's the name of the color, but it looks salmon or pink. Firstly, the pros of this bag is I love that they are releasing this one in the genuine cut leather, which again I am a huge fan of. I love the very simple writing of the heart and LV of the lipstick. That is again the writing or this painting on the monogram of Louis Vuitton would be onto the entire of the collection. So again, when they have first released the heart-shaped bag of Louis Vuitton, it was a huge hit to all the consumers. So it has a good design. I love the heart shape. I love that it comes with two zippers. So the two zippers, you would be able to open it from center going to the side. Let me just check if the... Oh yes, so the shoulder strap, I believe, is also adjustable. As you can see here, there are different little holes for the buckles of the strap, so that is good. So hopefully this bag, because I'm not really sure for the original version of the monogram canvas if the shoulder strap is fully detachable, so kindly do comment down below if you have this initially on your collection. So again, for this bag, I so love this one. I love the size, I love the shape, I love it has a good structure. The material is very good. That is why for bag number 2, guys, I am highly recommending this one and giving it 2 thumbs up. Alright, bag number 3 is the Daphne bag from the Fall in Love collection. So this one, let's talk about the pros first. And of course, as we know, the Daphne bag has been launched previously before, in which the Daphne, that is one of the bags that I really love to be adding to my collection. So again, I am glad that they are releasing this under the Fall in Love collection. So the pro of this one, so the material that it comes with is the monogram canvas. Then the trimming or the leather trims, I love that it would come with the black leather trim. Then of course, you would see here that it comes with the adjustable shoulder strap. The shoulder strap is very reminiscent, or actually it is the same with the shoulder strap that has, or that is with the Neon Away. I love that it comes with a lipstick charm. So this lipstick charm is fully detachable. So the lipstick, actually, I'm actually guessing if Louis Vuitton would be coming up with their own makeup label pretty soon, because as we know, Chanel has their own makeup line, also with Hermes, and I'm not really sure if Louis Vuitton they do have perfume, but I haven't seen if they have a makeup collection. So I'm actually thinking if this Fall in Love collection is a teaser of the makeup collection that Louis Vuitton may be coming up in the future. So this one, again, I love the painting of the Louis Vuitton flowers and logo at the front or at the outside part of the Daphne bag. So let us check the inside. So for this one, I love that the shoulder strap is fully detachable. I so love its size, guys. For this one, I believe it would house a lot of your essentials. The lining is in cherry red, so that is very good. If I'm not mistaken, this would be in microfiber. So it would come with 2 compartments inside. It's very spacious. It's also very reminiscent, or this shape is very reminiscent with my Prada Electra bag. With that Prada Electra bag, I love carrying it because I could bring a lot more whenever I'm carrying the bag with me. So the back part of the bag is also very beautiful, and I'm so thumbs up to Louis Vuitton that they did the painting of the flowers in the heart shape of Louis Vuitton, also not only in the front part but also at the back. So that means that there is a good continuity with the design. So I love the black leather trims. So again, like what I've mentioned, the strap is fully detachable. I believe with the original Daphne, it comes with the chain strap as well. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. For this version though, I'm not really sure it would come with chain strap. I love the classic logo of Louis Vuitton. For the flap, it's very good, and it looks very luxurious. That's why for our bag number 3, the Daphne bag under the Fall in Love collection, guys, I am giving it 2 thumbs up, and I am highly recommending this, you guys. Alright, last but not the least, bag number 4 that I would be reviewing under the Fall in Love collection is the newer version of Louis Vuitton On The Go tote. So hopefully it would come with all the sizes that the On The Go tote is coming out now. So again guys, let us review the pros of this one. So it comes with the classic monogram canvas of Louis Vuitton, and also it would come with the black treated leather. So the sides of the bag is already in genuine treated leather. The handles is also is made of genuine leather. So I'm glad again that it didn't come with the vachetta leather. So good job Louis Vuitton. So it would also come with the longer shoulder strap, just like what I mentioned with my previous vlog before. The reason I would be choosing the Louis Vuitton On The Go tote versus the Dior book tote, because the Dior book tote, it doesn't come with a shoulder strap or a longer shoulder strap. But with Louis Vuitton, it does come. So for me, with the shoulder or longer shoulder strap, it would be easier for you guys to be carrying this around. So I love the lining, the red lining or the red microfiber lining of the On The Go tote. Also again, the design of the outside part of the On The Go tote, I so love it. So you would see that it would also come with the lipstick charm. So like what I mentioned, my prediction is that Louis Vuitton may be coming out. So don't quote me on this guys, it's just my prediction. I feel that Louis Vuitton may be coming out with their makeup collection soon, because it's a billion-dollar industry and it will be also a good selling point for Louis Vuitton customers. So for this one, again, I really love the painting that they have done. So there's a Louis Vuitton writing, and they painted some of the Louis Vuitton flowers and the LV logos, not in front and not the back as well. So you would see there is a continuity with the design. So for this one, it's a perfect size. You would be able to use this as much as you can. So you could use it for work, you could use it for travel. So I am a fan of Louis Vuitton On The Go tote. So maybe hopefully if Louis Vuitton would be releasing more photos, the On The Go, or hopefully the On The Go would also come with the Ampant leather, just like the heart bag. So hopefully it would come with more materials, and definitely I would love it to come in genuine leather. So in conclusion guys, bag number 4, the Louis Vuitton On The Go tote, I am giving it 2 thumbs up and would be highly recommending them to you guys as well. Alright, so how did you like our vlog episode today guys? I'm happy that I was able to share to you guys the soon to be released collection of Louis Vuitton. So again guys, please take note that this is not available yet at louisvuitton.com. So I would like to say thank you to Foxy LV for sharing this one at Instagram. Please do check her out as well. So hopefully if this would be launching anytime soon at louisvuitton.com, I may be doing another review, because definitely these are just for bags, and definitely I feel that they would be releasing more bags, clothes, and accessories as well. So hope you enjoyed that collection, and please do comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Among the 4 bags that I've reviewed today, which one is your favorite? Please do comment down below. Alright, so before we end our episode today guys, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Potter1986. Potter1986, thank you so much for watching our Moschino bag unboxing and review, and thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, Potter1986. Alright, so again guys, I'm inviting you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a small icon here, so please do click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be part of our growing family. Also, please do hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/RamiraPie so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, again guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Please do stay safe and healthy, and I will see you on our next vlog episode. Bye!